Hello guys, this is my first submissions for task 1 full stack mentoring batch 1 with Balikpapan Dev. So for the task is about to achieve familiarity to speed up mentoring and learning process with AI tools. And then the first task is to use the prompt from Mr. Ali to generate a prompt coding that used in Lovable AI and VO AI. And at first I use the given prompt from Mr. Ali to generate a AI coding prompt in Gemini. After that, I use the generate coding prompt in Lovable and VO. At the Lovable, it handle everything without no error and fast build in just 22 seconds. It creates email password authentications, add a new to-dos, to-do comparison status, delete to-dos, user specific data, and then the responsive design. So let me try it. Example, I don't have an account and I have to sign up this days. Sign up, then they make it the account and I try to sign in, and then I try to make a new task, cleaning the house. As simple as that. It creates the task and then you can delete it, log out, then work perfectly. Next, in the VO, I paste the prompt from Google Gemini, same as like Lovable. In VO, it asks for install Supabase in project, and I managed to install it. At first I had an error for not installing a Supabase, and then I figure it out how to install it, and it generate me like deeper report root, middleware to the API, and then it's missing some files. It's missing the authentication feature. And then I ask for where is the authentication feature, and then they make it. And strangely, it's not quite authentication because it's only use like the name, and then you can log in as saya. It's not impressive. It's not what I asked for, and it's missing a feature. In here you have task, CRUD task like in the house. You can see it all tasks here, and then sweep can edit it, and then if it was active, and when it active, it's shown like here, completed now, and then I just complete. Yeah, simple as that. Click complete it, and I'll delete it. The next task is to connect it with the GitHub repo, so we can inspect the code in it. I connected from Lovable to GitHub, also with VO, and I managed to clone it at my local. I noticed the difference between Lovable AI and VO AI. The Lovable AI is more like used to go prompt, used to go build, and they handle like everything with no error. It run perfect and smooth and complete the tasks perfectly. Meanwhile, VO, I counter some erroring, like you need to install Subbase, and then it forgot to make an authentication, and I asked for a new authentication with a simple prompt. They made a simple authentication too, like just you type name, was using it, and it's shown sign in as whatever you type in before. The next task is using Google Code Assist. I'm use Gemini Code Assist Chat for exploring the code from Lovable AI and VO AI. I asked to decode like this. So the code compare based on the table of compare. I compare the both code from Lovable and VO, and at first I see it by naked eyes. I see some difference, like the Lovable AI using React with fight wheel tools, meanwhile VO using Next.js with React UI build. And here, like in here, I asked for give me the explanation about what tag are used in to-do surpassing. And Gemini explain me everything about what front-end framework they use, build to or dev servers, the language, the backend as a service, and then database, CSS, and UI component library, routing also, and icon library. Same as VO, I asked to what tag they are used in VO, and Gemini generate me everything and tell me everything. I know to explore that in VO we use Next.js with UI library React, TypeScript language, and everything. At first I thought that Lovable AI and VO are the same about packaging. Yeah, I thought they're use the same package, the npm. And then I test the Lovable AI and it ran smoothly. Meanwhile, I encountered that VO is not using npm. I cannot run it, and I asked for Mr. Ali helps why it cannot run, and he said it require pnpm install. And after I installed pnpm, the VO ran like as it was. And for the notebook LM use, I'm using it for searching what is npm stands for, what is the definition and the function, and notebook LM find me everything like the explanation and then the different from other package, and then they show the all sources it find. Like example I use for what is the different from npm. You can also add this source for yourself like this, or find a source in a Google with keyword, and it when I ask what is the difference from pnpm, it find me with existing sources and explain me like this. And it compare the npm with other package manager such as npx, pnpm, and yarn. It's so useful for learning, to exploring anything you want to. It has mind map too, and reports. And yeah, that's all my submission reports for task 1 full stack mentoring batch 1 with Balikpapan Dev. See you in the next video.